Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set reminders in monday.com. Click on Automate and then simply click on Create Automation. Here, select in the first every time period gets notified. So every time, daily, weekly, monthly, just choose which you like. So let's say every one day at 8:30, then notify someone. So let's choose the period. So it's 8:30 or 7:15 every day. Notify, type the content here. So let's say, hey, start working, someone, let's say me, and then create automation. And this is, I have set a reminder to notify me at 7 p.m. to start working every day. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.